Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Channel, the podcast that helps you build real-world English skills through everyday topics. I'm Emma, and joining me today is Jack. How are you, Jack?
I'm great, Emma. Excited for today's topic because it's something we all do almost every day, online shopping. Whether it's buying clothes, electronics, or even groceries, online shopping has become part of our modern lives.
You're so right. And let's be honest, sometimes online shopping in English can be confusing, especially if English isn't your first language. You see so many words like wish list, discount code, return policy, or estimated delivery, and you wonder what they all mean.
Exactly. So in today's episode, we'll walk through everything, from browsing and reading product descriptions to adding items to your cart, checking out, understanding shipping options, and even handling customer service or returns.
Yes. So if you've ever felt unsure about what a word like expedited shipping means, or how to say, I received the wrong item in English, this episode is for you. Let's get started.
Okay, Emma.
All right, let's start from the moment you open an online store. You might go to websites like Amazon, eBay, Lazada, or Shopee, depending on where you live. The first thing most people do is use the search bar.
That's right. For example, if you're looking for new shoes, you might type black running shoes or men's leather shoes. When searching, you'll often see filter options like price range, brand, size, or rating.
Those filters help you narrow down your results. You can say things like, I want to filter by price, under $50. Can I sort by newest products? I only want to see items with free shipping.
Exactly. And when you open a product page, you'll see the product description. That's where you'll find a lot of useful vocabulary. Sizing chart, a guide that helps you choose the right size. Material, what the product's made of, like cotton, polyester, or leather. Dimensions, the size or measurements often shown in inches or centimeters. Availability, whether the item is in stock or not.
Let's give a quick example. Imagine you're buying a backpack. The description might say, material, waterproof nylon. Dimensions, 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Available in black, blue, and green.
That's a perfect example. Now, sometimes you want to ask questions before you buy. You can use polite and simple English phrases such as, is this available in a larger size? Does it come with a warranty? Can you tell me more about the fabric? Is this product available in black?
Those are great. And when you're reading customer reviews, there are some common words you'll see again and again. For example, durable means strong and long-lasting. Lightweight means not heavy. Poor quality means not good. Value for money means it's worth the price.
Exactly. You might read something like, the product quality is excellent, but the delivery took a long time. Or, the color looks different from the picture. It's always smart to read multiple reviews before buying.
Also, pay attention to ratings, those little stars you see under the product name. Usually 5 stars means excellent, 4 stars means good, and 3 stars means average. If you see too many 1-star reviews, maybe skip that item.
That's solid advice. And don't forget to check for verified buyers. That means the person actually bought the product and isn't just leaving a random comment.
So, to summarize this section, when browsing, pay attention to descriptions, materials, dimensions, and reviews. Ask questions politely if you need more details.
Perfect summary. And now that we've found something we like, it's time to add it to our cart.
So, Jack, after you find the perfect product, the next step is to add it to your shopping cart.
Right. The shopping cart is like your online basket. It holds all the items you're planning to buy soon. There's also something called a wish list. That's for items you want to save and maybe buy later.
For example, you might say, I'll add this to my wish list for now. Or, I have 3 items in my cart.
Exactly. Once you're ready to buy, you go to the checkout page. That's where you'll need to fill out important details. Shipping address, where your order will be delivered. Billing address, the address linked to your credit card or payment method. Payment method, how you want to pay, maybe by credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Discount code, a special code that gives you a discount.
Yes. Sometimes you'll see a box that says, enter promo code. If you have one, you can type it in. When it works, the website might say, discount applied successfully. If it doesn't, it might say, invalid code.
And it's really important to check for extra fees like shipping costs or import tax before confirming your order. You can also look for messages like free shipping on orders over $50.
During checkout, some people get confused by certain phrases. For example, item out of stock means it's not available anymore. Invalid payment details means there's an error with your card number or expiration date. Please enter a valid email address means your email format is incorrect.
Right, those messages are common. And at the end of checkout, you'll usually see an order summary. That's a list of everything you're buying with prices and total cost.
Before clicking Place Order, always review your information. Check your address, phone number, and product details carefully.
That's great advice. Oh, and don't forget about shipping options. You might see standard shipping, express shipping, or next-day delivery. Express or expedited shipping means faster but more expensive.
That's right. Personally, I always check the estimated delivery date before confirming my purchase. I don't want my package to arrive after my vacation or a birthday gift too late.
Exactly. Once everything looks good, you click Place Order, and then you'll usually receive an order confirmation email within a few minutes.
Now, let's move on to what happens after placing your order, the shipping and delivery stage.
After you order, most websites send the confirmation message like your order has been shipped or estimated delivery November 5th to 8th.
You'll also get a tracking number, which lets you follow your package. You can say things like, "Can I track my package?" Or, "I'd like to check my delivery status."
And sometimes you'll see words like expedited shipping or standard delivery. Expedited means faster, while standard usually takes a few days longer but costs less.
If something goes wrong, for example, the item arrives damaged or doesn't fit, you'll need to read the return policy. That tells you how to send something back or request a refund.
Yes, common terms include refund process, how and when you'll get your money back, exchange for a different size, if you want to swap for another one, return window, how many days you have to send it back.
Let's do a quick example conversation. I'll be the customer service representative and you be the customer, okay?
Sure.
Hello, thank you for contacting customer service. How can I help you today?
Hi, I received my order yesterday, but the shirt is too small. I'd like to exchange it for a larger size, please.
I'm sorry to hear that. No problem. You can request an exchange through your account. Please log in, go to My Orders, and select Exchange. We'll send you a prepaid return label.
Great. Do I have to pay for the shipping to send it back?
Usually, if it's a size issue, we cover the return shipping cost. Just use the label we provide.
Thank you. How long will it take to receive the new item?
Once we receive your return, it typically takes 5 to 7 business days for the exchange to be processed.
That's perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
That's a perfect example of a polite and effective customer service conversation.
Yes, and notice how we used polite language. I'd like to exchange. Could you please help me? And thank you for your help. It makes communication smooth and friendly.
Yes, and notice how we use polite language. I'd like to exchange. Could you please help me? And thank you for your help. It makes communication smooth and friendly.
Let's review some useful words and phrases we've learned today. Sizing chart, out of stock, discount code, tracking number, refund process, return policy, customer service representative.
And don't forget common sentences like, is this available in another color? Can I track my order? I received the wrong item. I'd like to request a refund.
Perfect. These are all super practical for real online shopping situations.
So, Emma, I think we've covered everything, from browsing and reading descriptions to returns and refunds.
Yes, we have. And I hope our listeners now feel more confident shopping online in English.
Remember, take your time, read carefully, and don't be afraid to contact customer service if something isn't clear.
Absolutely. And don't forget to practice these phrases so that next time you shop online, you can understand everything easily.
Thanks for tuning in to Everyday English Channel. Make sure to follow us for more useful English episodes.
See you next episode and happy shopping, everyone.
Bye!